Looking for the best robot vacuum over $100? I've tested the top picks for 2025 and today I'm revealing my top 3, including the Roomba Essential and 2 amazing competitors. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. At number 3, it's the iRobot Roomba Essential, an affordable and reliable option for smart cleaning without breaking the bank. This little guy cleans in neat rows, adapts suction on carpets, and connects with Alexa. But it lacks room mapping and auto-empty features. Next up, the Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid. With dual turbines and laser navigation, this robot packs serious cleaning power. It mops while it vacuums and gives you full control via the app. Just keep in mind the water tank is small, and there's no self-emptying dock. Our number 1 pick, the Roborock Q5 Plus. It's smart, powerful, and comes with an auto-empty dock. It creates detailed maps, empties itself, and lasts up to 3 hours per charge. The only drawback? It doesn't mop. So here's the recap. Roomba Essential great entry-level pick. Eufy X8 Hybrid powerful vacuum and light mop combo. Roborock Q5 Plus the most hands-free experience. Which one fits your lifestyle best? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below.